Hello class, and thank you for watching. In this example, I'm going to show you the strategies on how to evaluate the composition of two functions using a table. I highly recommend separating the two tables and making a table for x and making a table, a table for f and a table for g. So here, I'm just going to simply split g, and where the input values are -1, -5, 1. So your x values are -8, -5, +1, 2, 3, 6, and 7. And the y values for g is this row right here. So 7, 2, -8, 6, 1, -5, and 3. So we don't have to worry about that. I just simply separate. Now, having done that, I can now evaluate. Let's do the first part. What is the value of fog of 6? Fog of 6 requires me to first figure out the g value at 6. So we're going to plug in the 6 into g. So when I'm looking at the table for g, which is the one that I just wrote, this one right here is the one for g, I'm going to look at the x value at 6. And I see that the corresponding y value is -5. So this equals -5. And now what we're going to do is to get that answer of -5 and plug that into f. So we're going to look at f and see what the y value is when x is -5. So our table for f is this one right here in blue. The x value of -5 gives us an output value of 3. And since that's equal to 3, then that's the composition. So the fog of x when x is 6 is 3. And to do the second one, we just simply we input again in the opposite direction. Now we want the golf of 2. So we're going to begin by first plugging in the 2 into f. So let me erase this. Let's look at x is 2. The y value is 6. F of 2 is 6. And now we're going to plug in that answer of 6 into g. So using the table, when g is equal to 6, the y value is -5. So we got that answer of -5. So that's the answer to the golf of 2. And that's how you use a table to evaluate the composition of two functions.